Hey, hello. I want to explain further how our app VisuAInize work, Artistry of AI. You must have seen the great explanation from my daughter. She has done a phenomenal job helping me. There's some revamp we got. Thank you for all of your feedback, and based on the feedback, the app has been revived further. So let's understand the basics first again, and then we'll talk about the architecture and the solution, how this is being built. So we have removed that prompt AI optimization checkbox. So now the app is, if you are seeing this first time, the app has three feature. You can generate text to image, text to music, and text to story. And this text to image, let's talk about that. So basically, you can record a prompt, and or you can type it. Let me record it. A village in a large city. Okay, I just let me record it again. A beautiful garden in a village. So this prompt is recorded, and then you can generate. Click on the hit generate button. So we got a lot of feedback that people are a little tired of waiting. So why don't we teach people when they waiting? So we included a lot of um, prompt engineering tips. So when they are waiting on generating image or music, they can start keep learning. So one of the key objective of this app is to teach people about generative AI, especially the children or the kids who love, who understand better with images and sounds, and they're easy to understand the intuition behind it. So you see right now it has two images. One, we are not going to tell them which one is AI optimized, which one not, because we want an unbiased feedback from the user. So two images is created, one with your actual prompt which you given, and one with optimizing the prompt and doing some prompt engineering for a better images. So the second is this. So typically, you need we would appreciate if you give a feedback which one you like. However, it's optional. Everything is anonymously captured. So I like for the second one because the first one is little okay, but the second one is more vibrant colors. So I'm going to choose the second one. You can choose the same thing. So that's how it works. So and this explore media that sometimes our GPU server may be overweight, and you don't want to wait a lot of time. You can quickly get a lot of images is being created by many users, so you can search and explore that. It's a desert. Let's see if there is anything is there. So you see you got a desert. So it goes to our vector database, which is ChromaDB here, which we are using for actually storing the data and doing a semantic search. This is the key concept of, later we will discuss in another app, in retrieval augmented generation, where you can actually talk to your private data with LLM, and that's a separate technology we'll talk about another day. So same thing with music. Now music is something need to be called out because it is used a Facebook or audiocraft pre-trained model. However, we have done some fine tuning on the prompt for better music generation. However, this model is only for non-commercial use. So in this app, the images are still, you can use commercially as per the license agreement. However, I strongly suggest to you go through the three license agreement and see that what exactly this says, because this is absolutely tied to those license agreement, because we have to behave responsibly and oblige all the and give the proper credits to the creator of this pre-trained model. And that's absolutely important. So but the music, I am going to show you how it works, but I cannot play the music because these are proprietary themes, and I'm going to upload this video in YouTube, and YouTube detects this as a non-commercial use, I think. But if you will upload any video in YouTube, you use that for their own commercial use, so they cannot use any non-commercial music. So let's create one thing. Let's record it. uh, a classical Korean music. Okay, let's generate it. Now music generation takes more time, and as I said that we're going to teach you a lot of good concepts. So now this is going to be very dynamic. Right now we're teaching you about in context learning or prompt engineering. We'll teach in future better. So this is going to be good, like when you are going to see a lot of improvement in coming days on this area. So this is going to be helpful for a lot. So it's going to take time, because music is a very compute intensive task, and it takes a lot of time. And what we are doing under the hood is we are creating two music, one with the actual prompt is given, another is an optimized version of it. Now we truly don't know whether it is optimized or not. That's why there's a feedback option, asking user to give their feedback which one they like. If one of our objective will be, is to prove that the optimized version is actually most of the time better. It is not going to be always better. Yeah. So what we have seen is, if you're a good prompt engineer, if you know how to write a great prompt, you might see the direct one is better. But if you're not, then that's where the AI is helping optimizing your prompt. So as I said, I cannot play these two music honestly, because if I play it, you will see a mute sound, and that's what you might have seen my daughter's demo, and the YouTube has muted that, because this music are for only for commercial use. So I'm not going to give any feedback right now. So let's talk about the story. So this is a different aspect. It's really not a text to music or any text. This is directly using the Meta's Llama 2 model and helping us to generate a meaningful story. And we did a lot of prompt engineering, to generate and a lot of augmentation inside whatever the raw output we got from the Llama 2. So this is really fun, could be. So it's same thing, you can give any character or any context, and the story will be generated. Let's see. A good friend with his buddy. And same, absolutely similar experience. So we are going to give, as I said, this is very general teaching experience when we are doing these steps while you are waiting for the story to be generated. But this space has a lot of improvement, um, and lot of quality material to be included. So same thing, you see the story has been created. I'm not going to read it. So that's pretty much it. Hope you like it. Thank you.